OE class. Question number 3rd of your assignment, projection of solid. A pentagonal pyramid, side of base 35 mm and axis 75 mm long, is lying on one of its corner on the HP such that the triangular surface opposite to the corner is parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP, and base edge containing that triangular surface is parallel to both the HP and VP. Draw the projection of the solid when the apex of the pyramid is nearer to the observer. So now class, here the first stage condition is lying on the one of his base corner HP. So that's been class, the whole base of the pentagonal pyramid is resting on HP and the position of corner is towards right. So now first class, measure the dimension of base edge is 35. So here class, measure 35 this is 35. Now measure angle 54 from the both the end of the line. Fifty-four. This is your apex position, O dash. Now draw circle considering O as a center and this much as a radius. Now measure compass equal to the base edge of the pentagonal and cut on the circumference. Now join this is class your required pentagonal shape resting on HP. Give dimension class. This is 35. Give naming class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now class, extend all points vertically up. light in shade. And class axis height, extend projection of O vertically up further, long dash, short dash, long dash. Now class, the height of the axis height is class 70 mm, then measure 70. This is your class axis height 70, then join slant height of the pyramid. This is class O dash, 1 dash, 5 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. Now class, give dimension to the height. Axis height is 70. Okay. Now class, second stage condition is given such that the triangular surface opposite to the corner. So class, this is the corner, and opposite to that corner triangular surface is O34. This is the surface. O34 is the required triangular surface opposite to the corner 1. So in this question class, we are talking about this triangular surface O34. So this triangular surface O34 is parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP. Okay. So now class, the projection of this triangular surface O34 in the front view is this line. This slant height line is the projection of triangular surface. So this triangular surface in second stage is parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP. So that's mean class, we need to draw this line parallel with HP to reference line. So class, randomly class, take any point on the reference line as 1, but class, before starting the second stage, leave some space here for third stage. I will tell you later on, but leave some space for third stage here. So I will start my drawing from here. Okay, suppose class, this point is my 1 dash, and now class, I have to make O4 and O3, this line parallel with reference line. So how can I make class parallel with this reference line? So class, you have one option. First, draw a perpendicular from 1 dash over this line. Draw a perpendicular from 1 dash on this line. It is very important part. Class B, remember, you can't directly incline this line. That's why here we will use concept of geometry, which you all of you studied in your 10th class. Draw a perpendicular lighting shade. Give naming class, suppose n dash. Okay, now from here, the point 1 dash, draw a perpendicular line, light and shade. After that class, measure that perpendicular distance over compass. Getting class? Their perpendicular distance measure on compass, then cut on that line. To class, this point is your n dash. Now class, from n dash, draw a horizontal line parallel with reference line, light and shade. Okay. After that class, measure NO dash. After that class, measure NO on compass. Getting class? NO on compass. Then from here, cut this side. This point is your O dash. Now class, measure N and 4. Measure that distance and cut. So that point is your 4 dash 3 dash. Now class, join all points. So now class, see, your triangular surface is satisfying the condition. It is now, this triangular surface is parallel with HP, and it is, suppose this is the triangular surface. Getting class? Here, this is the set square. So now, like this. So this set square is parallel with HP and it is perpendicular to VP. So this is the condition of second stage. Now mark all points of the base on that line. Start, suppose 1, 5, 2, 1, then axis position. So this point is your class 5 dash 2 dash, and here draw axis, long dash, short dash, long dash. Now class, after that, extend all points downward, vertical, light and shade. After that class, extend all points towards right from the top view. And again I'm saying class, all construction lines should be light in shade. Don't draw dark. Now class, start from O. This is the projection of O. This is the projection of O. This is your O. Then 1, projection of 1, projection of 1, 1, 2, projection of 2, projection of 2, projection of 3, projection of 3, projection of 4, 4, and projection of 5, 5. So now class, here when we draw top view, the observer is here. So when we see this object from top, so O4 and 3 is completely visible. Getting class? O4 and 3 is completely visible, but O2 and O5 also visible, but class O1 is not visible. So class, first we will draw the outline of the top view in dark. Okay, so now class O4 is completely visible. Then draw O4 dark. O3 is completely visible. 3 is dark. But now class, observer is here, but O1 is completely hidden. This point is hidden, hide by this line. It's not visible. So 1, we will draw hidden. This is your 1. Now class, if 1 is hidden, so 1, 5 also hidden. And class, always remember one concept in the projection of solid: no two hidden lines intersect each other. No two hidden lines intersect each other, or no two object lines will intersect each other. They will meet at one point, but they never cross each other. So this is class your top view. Now the condition for your third stage: the base edge containing that triangular surface is parallel to both the plane HP and VP. So here class, it is talking about that same triangle O34. So O34 base edge is 3, 4. So this 3, 4 means class, this 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4 is parallel with VP and parallel with HP in third stage. So now class, and condition is parallel with HP and VP, and one more condition is here class: the pyramid is the apex of the pyramid is nearer to the observer. Let's think class, the position of apex is nearer to the observer. Suppose class, if you draw a new reference line here, then your this condition is not satisfying, because if you draw a new reference line here, the observer position is here, so that means class the apex position is away from the observer, so this condition is not satisfying. So that's mean class we will draw a new reference line on this side. This is our new reference line. Okay, now observer is here and this apex position is nearer to the observer, so now it is satisfying this condition is satisfying, and it is satisfying this condition also, HP and VP. So now class C, this is right now it is lying in HP, this whole figure is lying in HP top view, so this 3 4 is already parallel with HP, and now it is parallel with VP also. So now this 3 4, the base edge of the triangular surface is parallel with HP and as well as new reference line VP. Okay, now class extend all points towards new reference line perpendicular, light in shade. Okay, after that class we will mark all points, vertical distance of all points of the front view from the previous reference lines. Start with O, so this is the previous reference line, then this is the vertical distance of O, then mark projection of O, this is the projection of O, this point is your O dash, because this is HP, so this is your new reference line and this plane is your VP, so that's why O dash. Now 1 is lying on reference line, so here also 1 is lying on reference line, so this point is your 1 dash. Now measure 5 and 2 and cut on the respective projection of 5 and 2. So 5, this point is your 5 and this point is your 2. 5 dash, 2 dash. Now class measure vertical distance from previous reference line 4 and 3. Okay, now cut respective projection of 4 and 3. This is 3 dash, this is 4 dash. Now class C, when we see this object from this side, O, 5, 4, 3, 2, all are visible. Okay, and even O1 also visible. So first class join all points, outer line of the object. Always class, whenever you join, always first draw outline of the object, then analyze the inside lines of the object. First always draw outline of the object, so this is the outline of the object. Now O5 is visible, it is completely visible, so O5 is dark. O2 is completely visible, so O2 is also dark. O1 is also visible, so So class, this is your required third stage. Hope you understood this concept.